Okay, here is a little bit of a quick tip, because this might happen to you, and it happens to me, and the first time it happened, I had kind of no idea on how to solve this one. But anyway, let's say that I would like to add another wide image below this one. So let's add again a cover here. And now we have this one, and now we go into the media library and we select something like that here. And now we want this one to be full width. Okay, so we click here and there is no full width. Why is that? Maybe we did something wrong with this one. No. Can we set anything else to be full width? No, we can't. And the reason for that is the following. If you, in your template, so we need to go back to the template here, and the pages template, if you here in this one for the content block have said that this shouldn't be full width, you can't add full width blocks later on. There is logic to that, because here you told the system no full width at all. So here we need to set it to full width. But then if you still want the content within this one to be kind of a little bit narrower, well, then you select this one. So now I can save and save again. And now if we go back to our pages again, pages, and then we take our test page and edit this one. And now if I go down here, now if I click here, I can on the group select full width. So now everything is up and running and working properly.